circle back to Valentine's Day. I see everyone else knowing how to love and hold hands. They whisper and smile, showing off their love, while the two of us stay hidden and silent. No flowers to be seen, not a kind word heard. No matter how much I plead, you say you have no time. You even claim that you are the only Valentine. I'm not crying, yet tears flow from my heart full of sorrow. If there comes a day without me, then you will know. By then it will be far too late, my dear. You're laid off, but a rose will hold no value. On that day, I won't want it, I won't crave it. Since everyone else is lucky, leaving only me this way, I will make up my mind not to beg or long for it anymore. I've always known I'm not the one you truly love. You just use deceptive words to soften my heart. If there comes a day without me, then you will know. By then it will be far too late, my dear. You're laid off, but a rose will hold no value. On that day, I won't want it, I won't crave it. I won't keep begging anymore for Valentine. I won't keep longing anymore for Valentine. I won't keep waiting for you for Valentine. I won't keep hurting anymore, my dear, for Valentine.